Okay, back again. Bought these aftermarket mirrors for 04 through 08 is my body style. I think the mirror on eBay called for like 04 through 12 or 14, something like that, I don't know. But problem I'm having is when you turn the turn signal on, this front or the back is very dim and the front side don't even work at all. And the defrost switch the little light blinks with the turn signal. So here's the fix. I found it online, but it's kind of complicated. They tell you to move so many pins, so many wires, and that's just, but I figured it out. And yes, that looks kind of boogery looking because I don't have the tool to pull the pin out, so I just pulled it out that way, cut the wire and stuck it back in and put a heat shrink on it. But you take number 8, it's sitting over here, it's black, and you move it to number 9. So you move your number, looking at it here, you move the 8 pin over to the number 9 slot. And the problem is it's grounding out of something with the defroster on the mirror. But that's what fixed it. So if anybody needs that, runs into that, I know you look online, you can find it, but it's complicated. There's so many people there tell you to move so many wires, move this, move that, and it's just, I had to go take a drink on it just to figure it out. But yeah, little Wild Turkey and Pepsi figured it out. Number 8, move it to number 9 slot. That's all you do. All right, see y'all around. Another thing on these lights, on my 04, these new lights has got the what they call the puddle lamp, and this truck doesn't have the wires running in the wiring harness coming to the light for the puddle lamps. On YouTube and online, my beagle's hollering, people's been running a hot wire to it so it comes on. But the past vehicles I've had in the past, the puddle lights, you can't really see much, and to me they're worthless. So I'm not really worried about the puddle light working. So well, that's it. See y'all next go around.